Here's how to upload audio files to Roblox. So you might want to upload audio to get the sound ID, also known as audio ID or asset ID, for use in Roblox Studio or for another reason. Whatever the reason is, this guide will show you how to do it. First, you need to go to the Roblox website, which is roblox.com, and log into your account. After that, tap on the Create button in the top of the screen that is between Marketplace and the search icon. Now, if the page that loads does not have create.roblox.com in the address bar, manually type that into the address bar. And next, on the left side of the screen, find and click on Creations. Find and click on Development Items. And then select Audio, that is between Plugins and Decals. Scroll down and click on Upload Asset. And select a sound or effect or a soundtrack. Make sure that you have the rights to upload it regarding copyright. Then type in a name and description for the audio. Then scroll down and select Upload, which is highlighted in blue color. Ensure that you meet all the requirements and then wait for the upload to complete. And once it's done, the page will reload and you should see your audio at the bottom of the list. Click on the three dot and select Open Asset Details or Copy Asset ID, which you can then use in Roblox Studio or wherever you need it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.